So, leaving another local REIA, good networking to be done. These local REIAs are starting to open up more and more. So, great stuff. Welcome, everybody. Jose J with Garcia Home University. So, stop by this tonight's topic. They had a gentleman, Mr. Richard. Got to meet him. I actually met him last time at the same local REIA, and he does Airbnb, which is huge. Airbnb is awesome. Something that's always taken my interest, something I haven't gotten into to looking more into, that's for sure, and I need to, and I will now, especially after his presentation. Great presentation he did. But Airbnb, the thing is that, when you think of so many exit strategies, and you hear me compare real estate, and I want to clarify one thing. I do not dislike real estate. I love it all, and so should you. Here's the thing, is as with any investor, you try to always maximize your profits. That's key number one of anything. If I can do one investment over another that makes me more money, more returns on my investment, then I'm obviously going to choose that. But it does not mean that I'm going to take out an exit strategy. You're supposed to have many sources of income coming, passive regardless of where they're coming from. A lot of people get into the stock market. A lot of people sell a product, a service. It doesn't matter. So when you think of mobile homes, Airbnb is just that one more avenue that it can be done. I actually sold a mobile home to an individual down in Tallahassee, Florida, that he does Airbnbs, and I didn't think Airbnbs was the thing in mobile homes, but it is, and it can be done. Now, of course, it depends where the park is located, city, county, state, back to the whole rule regulation sort of thing, okay? But it can be done. He's doing it, and he's actually doing a lot better, obviously, than I am in the sense of, ROIs in that specific mobile home, just because of how much he gets returned from everyday rentals and that sort of thing. I don't know how short of a term he does them, but Airbnbs, something that's always caught my attention. I think it's an awesome exit strategy for anything, really. When you think of real estate, is if I was going to get into real estate, more so, especially, which I don't think I ever will, but single family stick built, I would say that it would definitely be something that I would try to put it on as Airbnb, because you got to think, how much can you really rent a stick built monthly time? I don't know, again, it goes with the market, but 700, 800,000, that's not bad numbers, but you have to think, how much money do I have into it? So in my mind, I'm thinking I need to make a lot more money every month if I'm going to come up with so much more money. In the area where I'm located east of Atlanta, to find a killer deal, you're still talking 30, 40 grand just for a house. How much money will you put on top of that? You see what I'm saying? So, you're still in thousands of dollars that, when in comparison to mobile homes, we're all in it for 5,000. So, big difference in that. But again, and everything has its positive, has its downs, like everything else. But I would say if I was going to get into real estate, it would be for Airbnb. Airbnb, you can maximize it. You're not sold out all year round, but you get to raise the prices, you lower them, and then when it comes to eviction, that's got a huge plus. You don't go through the whole process of court eviction. It's as simple as basically calling the law. It just, a lot to learn from. But good topic. I definitely came for this specifically. Good local REIA here that they have, and it's the Airbnb. Something that all you should look into, especially if you're doing real estate now. You have the stick built houses and you're renting them out monthly, month to month, or 12-month contract, whatever. Think about trying to do something like this. And this goes perfect for something like a duplex. That is in my near future. I want a duplex where one side I may do Airbnb, and the other side I may do a little bit longer rental, like maybe month to month, maybe a 12-month contract. I don't know, but you see, it opens those opportunities. You have that multi-door going on now. It allows for so much more passive income for you and security, nothing more. When you think of a duplex, you should be thinking one side should really cover all the expenses for all the above, and then some profit. So meaning that the other side, whatever, regardless of what the exit strategy you use, it is pure passive income, and that's what you want. Create enough passive income out of that, save your funds, reinvest, and keep doing it over and over, and then you start multiplying. Instead of adding one deal again next month and a couple deals the month after that, you start doing 5, 6 next month. It's the whole point is to keep going. A coach mentor of mine would say is stay broke, have all your money out in the field. If you have money in your saving accounts, that is doing nothing for you. But if you keep on investing all your profits and keep going, you keep growing. I've been in that many times where I am basically broke, but all my money's out there. It is making me more money. That's what I want, and that's how we create portfolios. You want to play the safe zone, and you get it. You have to have something to fall back on. But to get ahead, you're gonna have to really get in there and get it on, kind of thing. So, all right, that does it for this video. Just wanted to talk on that Airbnb. Good stuff. Good exit strategy. I like it. I like it a lot. See it in my near future, and we may start it on in a mobile home. So there you have it. If you're looking for coaching, visit GarciaMHE.com. Email me directly for any questions, suggestions. Simply drop a hello, J@GarciaMHE.com. Thank you for watching.